Good morning, Standard 7. After New Year, we are starting. This is the first class of Chapter 7, more about Flash CS3. Okay. In the Flash CS3, some important terms are or important features available. First one is symbols. Okay. Symbols are an important concept to understand the Flash CS3. Okay. There are three types of symbols: movie clips, buttons, and graphics. Okay. Movie clips, this one about I am telling. Okay, movie clips, button, and the graphics. And it is best to create the symbols for everything that you put on the stage so that it is easy to manage and manipulate. So all symbols will appear in the library of Flash CS3. Okay. Now to convert the text, you type into a symbol, and the some steps we have to follow. These are: click on the modify tab, first one, select the convert to symbol options, give it a name and select the option say graphics. Okay. Click on OK. The symbol will be created on the stage and various sub options for the further changes will be displayed in the properties windows. Rotating, this is all about the symbols. Now how to rotate or spin the object. Okay, we will come to the second part, how to rotate or spin the object. Here we are all doing latterly modification. Okay, so first step that we have to select is nothing but a click on the modify button or click on the modify tab. Click on the modify tab here also. Then click on the transform selection option. Okay, transform option. From the sub option, choose the rotate and skew option. There will be a sub options. Okay, it will view. The pointer will change to the rotation handle and drag the rotation handle to make the required changes. You can drag by using the mouse pointer. Okay. This is how. As you drag, the rotation handle on outline will appear. Rotation handle, one outline will appear. That like this your figure is or your object is going to be. So as per your satisfaction, you can click on OK, leave, or for more you can require to do the same as per continue. Okay. This is all about how we can rotate the object. Next come to flipping an object. In case of flipping of an object, click on the flipping means what? You can change the shape of the object in the Flash. Suppose it is a tetrahedral, you can change it to regular polygons. Okay, regular hexagonal, etc. Here also, click on the free transform tool present in the tool panel. You will see the various arrows on the each side of the object and drag the arrows and make the desired changes in the shape of the object. Okay. Then importing graphics. Importing means how to put into the graphics. Okay. Change in shape of the object is completed. Now importing graphics. You can import the graphics in the Flash CS3. First, you have to know where are the graphics are present. Click on the File tab. A menu will appear. And see there, select one import option. It will display some sub options having options: import to stage, import to library, open external library, or import videos. Okay. Select any one of these according to your choice. You want to choose a picture, an image, a video, whatever. Okay, then that will be imported into the where? To the Flash CS3. Layers in the Flash CS3. There are various type of layers in the CS3. And using the separate layers for the separate symbols placed on the stage allows you to manipulate each one differently and effectively. That is why we use the several layers. You can also decide which one will come in front visually by placing them on the higher layer. You can lock the layers or hide the layers by clicking on the little dots below the eye. Okay, below the eye symbol will be there, and there will be little dot showing the layer number 1, layer number 2. Okay, first we will come to the creating layer. First one is creating layer. Creating layers. Okay, these layers will allow you to create the layers. How to create? Click on the insert tab, select the timeline from the various options displayed, and it will display the several sub options. From that you click on the layers and a new layer will be formed there. Okay, next one is renaming, because it will be naming as per your desire, right? Renaming layer. Select to rename the layers, select the layer, the name of which you want to change, and double click on the active layer name. Okay, you will be observing blinking arrows there in the box, and type the name of your desire to the layer, okay, accordingly. Or you can go to the modification tab or click on the modify tab, then it will display a sub menu, okay, and choose the timeline from the menu that appears and select the layer properties from the sub menu. A layout property dialog box will appear there. Type the new name of the layer and click on the OK. Then your layer name will be renamed or already be renamed. Okay. Next layer about saying the locking layer. I told you active layers. Active layers means what? The layers on which we are performing our work. That is called active layers. Click on the lock icon above the layer name. After clicking on the lock icon, okay, or that icon, you will see a lock icon along with a layer name. That will help you to hide the external layer that you don't require when you are performing some work. Okay. Next one property is showing or hiding a layer. Showing or hiding a layer. Okay. Click on the eye icon, that is show or hide all layers, which is present above the activated layer option. Activated layer option means what? The layer which is activated. You will see a red cross. Red cross means like this. Okay, like this symbol appear along with the active layers. It symbolizes that the particular layer is locked. Okay, the particular layer is locked. So that is how to lock. You can click on that or show button to show the or hide button to hide. Okay, or lock means to this red cross options. Okay. The last layer is what? Last property of the layer is that deleting layer. How to delete the layer that we not require. Okay. Deleting layer. Select the layer which you want to delete in the layer pane and clicking on the delete layer icon. Okay. Clicking on the delete layer icon, and that helps you to delete the layer of your desire. Okay, this is all about photo session in this class.